Hey fam, welcome back to Gracefully EUT's channel. On this video we're gonna be making cupcakes in microwave within just 5 minutes. So let's get it done without wasting much of your time. So we'll be needing a siever because we need all our dried ingredients to be sieved to avoid lumps in our cake, okay? So we have the eggs, the condensed milk, we have the evaporated milk, we have powdered sugar, we have baking powder, we have melted butter, and we have vanilla essence or vanilla flavor. Okay, so we're gonna make sure we sieve all our ingredients. So I'm just gonna head to sieve all the dried ingredients. This is a all-purpose flour, 1.5 cup. Meanwhile, in the description box I will list the quantity of the ingredients that I used in this video, so keep watching. So I want to say a big thank you to all my returning subscribers, and if you are coming across this video for your first time, you haven't subscribed, please kindly hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to get notified each time I upload a new video. Okay, thank you so much, my returning subscriber. God bless you. So I'm just going and make sure I mix those dried ingredients together to be properly mixed together. Yes, then I'll go in gradually with my wet ingredients. First I'm going in with my eggs, my evaporated milk, the condensed milk. You can add as much as more quantity you need, but this is a tablespoon that I'm using now, so I just use it in scooping it. There is no a proper measurement about it, so I just went in and add more. So if you haven't watched my video on how to make your condensed milk, the link will also be in the description box. Okay, it's very easy and super much better than the one you buy from the shops. So after adding the melted butter, I want to go in with my vanilla essence, also known as vanilla flavor. So I will be adding 1 teaspoon of the vanilla essence. And mix thoroughly together. You want to mix it thoroughly until there is no more lumps and all the ingredients are well mixed properly. You can use an electronic hand mixer if you choose to, or a stand mixer, but this is very simple, so I don't have to. I mean, this cake is gonna be really fluffy. Did you see that? Yeah, you should know the lighter your cake, the more fluffy it is when it comes out from the oven, or when it's totally done. Yeah, so if you want to make a pound cake, don't make it so light like this. Okay, so I'll be putting 1.5 tablespoon in each silicone cups, and because this cupcake was made for the purpose of my daughter, so I'm gonna be adding some sweets to it. Yes, some decorating candies. Yeah, each cup I'm adding 1.5 tablespoon to each cup. You want to avoid the batter getting more than the medium level of your cup or any baking pan you're using, to avoid the mess when rising. So I'm going to be using this clay plate or marble plate that I got from IKEA. I'm gonna be using this for the microwaving, yes, because this is the best plate I have in the house to use in the microwave.
That means you're extra.
As I earlier told you, I was going to add some decorating candies. So this is exactly what I'm doing now. And I'm going to place it in the microwave for 4 to 5 minutes. Not more than that, okay? Not more than 4 to 5 minutes. So ready and set for microwaving. I know all microwaves are not the same, though they are not the same, but do not exceed more than 5 minutes. So this is the outcome of our cupcakes. Yes, this is the outcome of it all. Well, these weren't all, but you know, this cake wasn't made for anybody, so the owner almost finished eating it before I made these other parts of the video. So let me know what you think on the description box about this video, and please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share to your family, to your friends. Wow, take a look at that. Take a look at this cake. Oh my god, look at that. I mean, this is the best ideal cupcake you can, just do on your own for a party or for home use or whatever. It's so super easy, very easy. Okay, until next video, see you.